How's everybody doing? Well, this is going to be one video of a lot of videos of a 2018 Mustang salvage title out of North Carolina rebuild. So what's required in Michigan to get a rebuilt title is a laundry list of things. Only thing I'm missing is a driver's side mirror and working windshield washer fluid pump. So it didn't work when I got it. Good way to access it without tearing the whole front end apart, going through your passenger wheel well. It's going to be located right there. It rocks out, and then you have your windshield washer hookup line here. This just pulls off, no special tools or anything like that. Here's the plug for it. I fished it through the top. What you're going to want to do to actually make sure that your motor is bad and not your fuses or anything like that is actually test your connection. So I tried hooking up a 12-volt battery to the original pump. It didn't work. So my next test was hook up a multimeter to the actual plug for the pump. You can see positive goes to the blue and white terminal, negative goes to the green and black. So obviously I have auxiliary power on, car's not running, you're running straight at 0. If I can get it to focus here. What it is, I propped it up on the engine cover. You can see it in through the cab. There wasn't any how-to videos on this late of a model year, so I figured I would do it myself. You'll be able to see your multimeter from the dash, and what you're going to want to do is activate your windshield washer, and you'll see it jumps up to right about 12 volts, exactly where it needs to be. So that's how you're going to know that your fuse panel's good, your connection to the pump's good, and that your pump is just junk. One of these pumps is universal to a lot of years, so it was about $25. And I'll do an install video when I get the next one in tomorrow.